Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you noticed that I say hey guys like 24/7? Anyways, so today, as you can tell by the title, I am dyeing my hair. I haven't dyed my hair probably in like 6 months. My hair is super healthy. I know it doesn't look healthy. I had it up all day. But we are gonna cut it. So hopefully that'll help. But am I gonna lighten it or darken it? That is the real question here. But again, so I asked Twitter, should I lighten or darken my hair? And Twitter hates me and no one responded. So then I went on Facebook and everyone said to go dark or don't touch my hair. But I am going light. I'm just gonna freaking do it. I'm looking at my hair now and I think I want to go darker, but I want to go light, I guess, for now. So I bought this little bleach kit. I usually just get the bleach, but I don't want to bleach my whole hair. I just want to lighten the bottom, like do like a balayage kind of thing, and then trim it again because it's getting a little bit too long and I want it short. And also I bought just the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo to tone my hair after we bleach it. I can't believe I'm bleaching my hair. Yoli is turning in her grave because she literally said don't touch your hair, and I literally am touching my hair. But I am gonna put a little bit of coconut oil. So I know I look weird, but I forgot my, yeah, is this even good anymore? What does this expire? I think this is expired. Ew. You know what? Fuck the coconut oil. Because I think this is expired. I never use coconut oil. I just found that in my cabinet. Well, I used to use it because that's why I bought it. But so we're not going to do coconut oil. So hopefully I don't burn my hair. So do you want me to... Is that cute? Can you like see me? So let me brush out my hair. I always part it this way, so I'm gonna part it this way. See how it's like pretty long already? I'm gonna want to just trim it a little, just a little. But let's open up this bleach kit. We're just gonna fucking wing it. So this comes with a 40 developer, your lightening powder, your little brushy to brush your hair. This is what I really want. This little comb so that I can like comb it up. I'm gonna try to focus on my upper layer, like the top layer of my hair. Oh shit, I already bent it. And then the bottom, if that makes sense. So it comes with this little cap, but I'm not gonna use that. I am, what else? Gloves. So I have to leave it on for like an hour and a half. What the fuck? We'll see. We'll see how this freaking turns out. So I'm just pouring the... Oh my god, I can't believe I'm fucking bleaching my hair again. Oh my god! I mean freaking, sorry mom. She's probably not even gonna watch this video because she's gonna be pissed that I'm bleaching my hair. But my hair is like, honestly, the healthiest it's ever been. So why not damage it? So let's mix this bleach. Was I even supposed to do this? Clean and dry, check. I'm like just mixing up my bleach. Mixing. Oh my god, I'm mixing. Should I have darkened my hair? What do you think? Or lightened it? Well, obviously it doesn't matter anymore because Somebody texted me. It's probably Yoli. 100%. Just kidding, it's my mom. Sorry, Mom, I'm about to bleach my hair. My fiance also told me to leave my hair alone, but who the hell listens to the man? Anyways, so I guess since we are trying to be safe, let's just put on some gloves. Luckily, gloves came with this because I really wasn't gonna buy gloves. How should I do this? Look at how curly my hair is curling up. How should I do this? You know what? I'm just gonna comb it like this first. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Fuck it. So I'm just gonna comb the bleach like this. Just so that it looks more natural. And I'm just focusing on my top layer of hair first, because I don't think this is gonna be enough for my whole head. I don't expect it to be super blonde, so I'm expecting it to be probably like a light brown all over, maybe. I feel like with this comb it will be like more evenly distributed. My mom is probably turning over right now. I told her that she's like, oh, you shouldn't even mess with your hair. If you are, just darken it and don't mess with it. And then I told her I was gonna do this video. And she's like, oh my god, what are you gonna do? I'm like, well, you have to stay tuned and watch. Oh, my Thea Ruby told me just to leave it how it is. Sorry, Thea. Happy birthday to and Thea Ruben. Once again, I do not expect this to be super blonde, so don't come for me, internet. Maybe I keep telling myself that so that I'm not heartbroken when it doesn't come out the way I anticipated it. Let me throw this away. I didn't even use this brush. So this is, you can already see it getting light brown, which I want. I do not want it, right now I don't want it super blonde. So I just want it to be a lighter color because I'm just lightening my hair. So hopefully it comes out good. So I'm gonna stand like this. I'm going to put a plastic bag around my hair because I do not have a proper shower cap for this to develop in. This is the look. So right now it is 9:37 and it said for medium brown hair, which I think I have, or dark brown, to leave it 40 to 90 minutes, or dark brown 60 to 90 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on for an hour, 60 minutes. So I'm gonna come back at 10:37. Sorry, 10:37. Oh, look at me and my honey. Just kidding. 10:37 and we will check my hair. Okay guys, it's 10:15. I haven't looked. Oh my fucking god. I did not expect it. I low-key did not expect it to take this much. Oh my god, why is this green? That's weird. Oh my god. Look, this is weird. So this is green. And the rest, oh my god, what the hell did I do to my hair? Okay, so I'm gonna wash this out. It's almost been an hour, kind of, 50 minutes. So I will be back with y'all in a minute. Oh my god, look at my hair. What did I do to my fucking hair? Why is this green? The same, but my ends are fucking purple. Yay me. So from this point on, I don't know what I'm going to do next. So this video I thought was going to be done in one night, so obviously not. I'm going to go to Sally's tomorrow. I don't know if I'm just going to get like a light brown color, maybe. Just so I don't bleach it again. Or maybe I'll just bleach it again. I don't know yet. So I will follow up with you tomorrow. And hopefully this goes better. Because I have school at 6 p.m. so it needs to be fixed by then. Okay guys. It is the next day. My hair is super orange. It looks bright. Like a bright orange. When I was drying yesterday, it looked like a super dark orange. So that's why I was like, I'm not gonna be able to cover it up. My ends are frizzy, but I just came from Sally's. So this is what I got. The color. This, I got dark blonde. Because I don't want my hair blonde. I just wanted it to be light for a lighter brown. Honestly, what I was going for in the beginning. Just a lighter hair color. But she suggested dark blonde. Because I was going to do medium ash blonde, but she said it might turn my hair green. So I'm just going to do dark blonde because I'm not going for like a light blonde. I just want a lighter brown color. So let's hope this turns my hair from this to magnet. So guys, this is the final look. It's like this light brown color, but I don't know if it's me. I don't think it's my color. I think I'm gonna go dark brown. I know I bleached my hair for what? Just to go dark brown. And I did give it a cut. It is a little bit shorter, but I really don't think this brown is like my color. I feel like I'm wearing a wig. But if you like it or don't like it, let me know in the comments if I should keep it this brown or if I should go to all dark brown, because I have the hair dye, so I could do that. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned. I'm about to record a cooking video. I'm gonna be making fideo loco. My tia Sandra gave me the recipe, so I'm gonna do that right now. And that'll be up, what's tomorrow? Friday. It'll probably be up on like Monday or Tuesday, but I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.